Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2000, I think this is 2010. Let's double check. Yeah, 2010 Toyota Sienna. And we will be replacing the CV axle for this car. So the reason why we are replacing the CV axle, honestly, this is just a experimentation. Because when you drive the car, you can hear a grinding sounds. It seems like it's coming from the transmission, but the car still drive fine. And then when I leave this car, put into drive, I don't hear anything. So this is just, you know, like give it a try scenario. So rather than, you know, replacing the wheel bearing, which is more expensive to do it, especially the labor compared to the CV axle. CV axle only cost him like $135 Canadian dollar, and for the wheel bearing cost him like more than that. So we decided to just go for the CV axle. So again, like I said before, that all my videos I will be showing it to you guys. Doesn't matter if I fix it or not. This is the real scenario of being a backyard mechanic. There's no acting, no drama, no act, no fake videos. So it doesn't matter if it was fixed or not. So this is the reality of being a backyard mobile mechanic. Alright, so join me. Let's replace the CV axle for this car. Alright, we're using number 21 for the lug nut. Alright guys, so my plan is to just remove these two bolts right here for the knuckle, stabilizer link bar, and then the outer tie rod. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and 5 for the bracket for the brake hose. It's not that much though. And then of course your, you know, CV axle nut. With this. So, okay, let's try to remove this if we can. Nope, won't. So we need, if we are lucky, we had something to hold in here, a vice grip probably. Hold on. It's tight. Perfect. Alright, nice one, good. And then, you know what, let's try this underneath. Good for number 17. Of course, you need to remove your, you know, fin. So it's better if you use this one. You can grip it super easy. Go. Ta-da! And get a hammer. Hammer, and this side. There you go. Nice. See it? Alright. Now there's 2 more bolts left. I think this is 22. 22. Yep, it's 22. Need something to hold this one. Okay, there you go. Nice one. The bottom. Alright. Perfect. Alright. Just put this for a while, and then let's remove the CV axle. CV axle nut. Be using 30 mm, and then I don't know, this is 24 or 12 point. Perfect. Nice one. Some, lubrication. And get a chisel. Nice. Oops. Perfect. Now we can remove the bolt. Alright. And then push this and remove. Or you know what? Get the number 22. There you go. Goes down. Then, oopsie. Alright. We need, hold on, let's remove this. Alright, so let's just see the axle. Just gonna get a pry bar or a fork and tap it, and then that's it. We can remove this, see the axle. Push this out of the way. This one, two. Go. Alright guys, in removing the CV axle, we'll be using this. It's gonna be tough for me to show you because of the space. Basically, I'm just gonna insert that. Okay, I guess you could see that. Insert this at the bottom and then top it with a hammer, and it will pop out. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Perfect. Alright. Got it. Okay. Alright. That. CV axle. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so we got the brand new one right there. Looks the same. What's the brand? It's GSP. Right, let's put it up. put on CV axle. There you go. Alright, good. Nice. Alright, so let's put back together. One. This. It's heavy. Okay. Alright. Okay. Perfect. Need that bolt. Okay. One bolt. Alright. Alright. Almost done. Another bolt. That's it. Just gonna. So basically it's done. Just tighten all the bolts, and that's pretty much it. Right, this one right here, and this one right here. Another thing. So the bracket for the EBS right here. And for your brake, there you go. This one. And then for your outer tie rod. Alright. So I guess I'll just gonna tighten it, and that's it. Done. So alright guys, so everything is back. So bolt in here, over there, 2 bolts in here, stabilizer link bar, outer tie rod is right here, new cutter pin, Then CV axle nut. Then I put some, you know, ding like in here. There you go, that's it. CV axle, that's it, done. Alright guys, before we wrap up this video, I just wanna check if there's no more grounding sounds. Hopefully there's no more. Okay. Oh well, sounds promising. Well, I don't hear any. I guess it's fixed. All right.